This video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the new adware type application that is called IndexerPortal. IndexerPortal is a special adware that specifically targets Mac computers today. IndexerPortal adware may be presented as some fake software or browser update alerts. In many cases, people just download and install this application absolutely unintentionally. So, if you have noticed this adware to be the part of your computer, you should get rid of it. The adware, if installed, starts to display the tremendous amount of pretty intrusive ads not related to the sites that you visit. IndexerPortal adware may also periodically redirect you to many shady and dangerous resources in the internet. So we recommend you to go to your Finder, find this program and move it to the trash. If you locate any other suspicious software, get rid of it. I would also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and then start investigating your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.